Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits and Leander Life. Today with the grandparents we are here at the very new Tram-Museum in Basel, Dreispitz. Yeah, we're just having a look around. It's only open once a month on a Sunday, and we're here just for that. We're actually going to have a little tour with an old historic tram through Basel as well in a little bit. So do come along and enjoy.
Sehen wir das Haus, wo der Balkon dran hat. Und jetzt nimmst du die oberste Terrasse und dort innen in dieser Wohnung sind Opa gewohnt.
Leander, wo sind wir denn heute?
In der Tram-Museum.
Und welche Farbe hat denn das Tram, das du einmal nimmst in Allschwil?
Violett.
Das ist Bremse. Da ist oben das Geld rein und unten hast du rauslassen. Das ist dann lustig gesehen, oder?
Was ist Panago?
Das ist ein Getränk.
Hättest du ja gerne so einen Hut?
Ja.
We actually got the tip to come to this museum from my friends in the Guild in Basel, many of whom work for SBB, our national train service operator, or indeed BVB, so the tram people here in Basel. The Tram Museum is very small, very cute. It's open on every third Sunday of the month. Back here, that's what you can see on the guided tour, which are some of the trams up to 130 years old, and basically the entire history of how trams operate in the city of Basel.
Farbstift und wer ist denn tatsächlich der Tramli-Chauffeur oder wer ist das dort?
Ein Tram-Chauffeur.
BVB, oder?
Das ist der BVB.
Soll ich einsteigen?
Ja. Wo sind wir, Papa?
Wir sind im Tram-Museum.
Das passt
Und jetzt fahren wir mit einem offenen Tram rum.
Leander, bist denn du schon mal in einem Tram gefahren, wo keine Wände hat und keine Türen hat? Tomorrow it's a very special day for Matilda as she's starting primary school. Very, very proud of my little girl. And you have been able to follow her along since she was born 6 years ago. So we hope that you will subscribe to our channel to see more adventures with our kids, Matilda, Leander and Heidi. Bequem. Winken. Bist du mal in einer offenen Tramli gefahren?
Nein.
Hast du die Tramli noch so erlebt gefahren?
Ja, an der Mustermesse hat sie immer eingestellt.
There's no room for all of us. We're driving in a car without windows, without doors. It is completely open. About 100 years old, this hangar. And we're driving through the Gundeli quarter of Basel. It's absolutely fantastic experience here, right next to the main train station. And yeah, really, really cool to experience the city of Basel like that. You like it, Leander? Why are you holding on to your head like that?
I'm scared that it will fall out.
And that was it from Leander Life and Matilda Visits here from the Tram Museum in Basel. What a great place. It's actually free entrance for both kids and adults, and we really had a blast. It's a wonderful Sunday afternoon to be spent with your family, and yeah, even the ride through town was for free. You found all the details and the webpage in the links in the description below. Thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe and leave us a comment and let us know where we should head next. Bye bye! Genau, jetzt sind wir draufgegangen.